Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So group photos are tricky. You want everyone to look their best, but editing each face individually is kinda hard. Let's see if you apply the same filter to the whole photo. It might flatter one person but wash out another. So the good news is that FaceApp face-aware technology can detect and adjust multiple faces in a single image. According to the official blog, FaceApp's technology helps maintain natural skin tones and facial consistency across different lighting conditions. So this means you can apply consistent edits to everyone or target specific faces individually. So in this guide, I will show you how to edit multiple faces in group photos efficiently. Let's get into it. First, you can easily use presets for consistency across the group. Across the official FaceApp blog, presets are the fastest way to ensure basically a cohesive look across multiple photos when editing group shots. Instead of adjusting each person manually, presets apply a unified style to all faces in one tab. How to use them? Edit one photo and save your filter combination to the presets folder by tapping the plus icon. Then apply that same preset to the other group photos for instant consistency. Then adjust individual faces with the eraser tool. Start with tone and lighting corrections first. Then you can easily apply presets to multiple photos from the same shoot. If you are also editing multiple groups, that would be way easier. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.